Ladies and gentlemen, we are back today, and we have two good products to go through today. First one is a fan mail, and the second one is 2005-2006 rookie update, upper deck. And this is our first ever fan mail. So let's see what we get in here. This guy sent me a message and said, "Oh, you're a big Evgeny Malkin fan. I hope you like this." And I told him where to send it to. So thank you, Mr. Mihoff. Thank you. I'm not gonna say his first name, but you got, wow, it's great. Oh, it's a great card. Oh my God, a sign of the times. Evgeny Malkin. Is this his second year? 08-09 SP authentic. Wow. Yeah, second year. Geno Malkin. Wow, awesome. Thank you, Mr. Mihoff. That's an awesome card. Wow, that's probably like $100 card. Wow. It's going right up there with next to Lemieux. Oh, beautiful, beautiful card. All right, let's get into this box of this is the dullest knife ever. Jesus. Oh, wow, thanks for all the freaking peanuts, dude. Rookie update. Find the popular rookie inspiration dual signature cards. So we're looking for Crosby, Sidney Crosby, Alex Ovechkin. We can get SP Game Used Black Diamond Artifacts Trilogy and SPX. 24 packs. Come on. We want a Crosby or an Ovechkin. Or like a Crosby Lemieux dual auto. Oh my God. That would be cool to get one of these, huh? All right, let's get into it. 24 packs. We have a rookie update. Joffrey Lupul. Oh, he's all right. Used to be my favorite team back when I was a little kid. The Ducks. Oh, they're all rookie. Oh, okay. Alex Diego. Marty Straka, former Penguin. Luke Robitaille. Martin Brodeur, Nicholas Lindstrom, Teemu Selanne, he's good. Roberto Luongo, Vaclav Prosper. Brian McCabe, Ilya Kovalchuk, Jerome McGinley, Todd Bertuzzi, Jose Theodore. I really hope I get a Crosby or Ovechkin, anything. Dominic Hasek, Joe Thornton. Here's a rookie. Alexandre Picard. 106 out of 999. I remember, yeah, he was alright, Alex Picard. But it's not Crosby or Jason Spezza. Marty St. Louis. I think Hendrik Lundqvist is in here too. That would be a good one. Then we have Ryan Smith, Jason Allison, Matthias Sundin, Ryan Malone. Not his rookie. Big Penguin fan, Ryan Malone. My boy. Michael Ryder. Boo. And this box cost me $87. Lucky Sidney Crosby number. Alice Hensky. Marty Turco. Sergei Fedorov. Paul Correa. Used to be my guy. Mighty Ducks. Shane Doan. Sorry, I don't do this a lot, so I don't have a big camera setup. We have Keith Tkachuk, Brian Giunta, Brendan Shanahan, Marcus Naslund, and Adam Brickle, Black Diamond, Triple Diamond. Patrice Bergeron, is this his second year? Oh, he was drafted in the lockout season, I think. Oh, I'm not sure. I'll have to, nah, it's not his. Maybe I'll check it out. David Absteiger, Brian Lynch, Mike Modano, and J.S. Jaguar. We have Alexei Yashin, Pavel Datsyuk, Tomo Rutu, Eric Cole, Brad Richards. Is that his rookie year too? I don't know. Stanley Cup MVP, Brad Richards. Olav Kolzig, Jonathan Chichu, Manny Fernandez, Scott Gomez, and Jason Reisner, rookie. Numbered to 199.9. Doug Waite, Eddie Belfour, Ole Jokinen, Ryan Miller, and what is this? Kevin Biesca. Black Diamond, Triple Diamond. Not a Crosby or Obi. But they all can't be winners. Brian Leach again. Alexei Yashin again. Rick O'Doul. Who do you got? Jeremy Colton and Trent Huntner. Who's the rookie? Trent Hunter? Or they're both rookies. Trent Hunter was alright. Photo shoot jerseys. What the heck is up with those? Sorry, Upper Deck, but nobody really wants photo shoot jerseys. They're alright, but we want photo shoot autographs. Jerseys. Game worn. That's alright. We're gonna get a sick auto here in a minute. Andrew Raycroft, Yoni Pikkinen, Pavel Dimitra, Brendan Morrow, Milan Hajduk. And last pack on the right side. Wade Redden. Jaromir Jagr, that's my guy. Rob Blake, Colorado Avalanche. They had a super stacked team for a long time. Barrett Jackman, and rookie update of David Cole. He turned out to be alright. Numbered in 1999. Wow, we only pulled one Penguin out of that box. That's because when this box came out, the Penguins sucked and didn't have any players. We had season tickets, and Ryan Malone was their best player. Imagine Ryan Malone being the best player, or next to Lemieux. But Lemieux was pretty old. Still good, still really good. And he let Crosby stay at his house. That's why Crosby's a Penguin for life. Nikolai Habibulin. Rookie. Oh, man. Doug O'Brien to $9.99. Kind of look. I really want that Crosby. It's so expensive to. Rookie Gems. Jordan Sigalet. Black Diamond. His rookie card is so expensive. Even Malkin's rookie card, or his SP. It's so much money for a Gem Mint 10. That thing was up to like $600 before I stopped bidding. For Malkin's autographed rookie. Keith Primo. We might have something in. We have something in here, ladies and gentlemen. This one, this next one. Crosby Lemieux. Crosby Lemieux. We got Jeremy Roenick. Andre Kostitsyn. Oh, he was alright for the Canadians. It's a sticker auto, but and then we got the. Oh man, come on! Why couldn't you be this card? I still love it. But yeah, that's an awesome card. Oh, that's actually fit inside one of these too. Oh yeah. And we still have 2, 4, 8 packs left. Come on, let's get another auto, huh? Or good rookie, Crosby, Ovechkin, Lundqvist. Let's go. Glenn Murray started off. Alexander Allo. Mark Stavos. Simone Gagne, Brendan Morrison. Boo, boo. Thomas Vokoun, Nathan Horton. Oh, we got Thomas Moges. Never even heard of him. Damn. Damon Lankov, Miroslav Satan, former Penguin. Joe Sakic, great one. Curtis Joseph, Marian Gaborik, Dennis Wideman rookie. He was alright. Dennis Wideman. Played for a long time. Danny Heatley, the heater. Oh. Third year. This pack feels good. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, this pack does feel good. Mario, Danny Alfredson, Alexander Frolov. Damn, nothing. Eric Lindros, Marian Hossa. Played with the Penguins and then went and chased the cup. Finally got one. But the Penguins got more. He should have stayed. We have Keith Primo, Jeremy Roenick, Peter Conco, number to 750, just trilogy, Artifacts rookie. Never heard of him. Marty Gerber, Anthony Ninemaki, he was good. Oh, awesome. Chris Drury, Evgeny Nabokov, Hendrik Zetterberg, Peter Forsberg, Patrick Elias, and 2. Okay. Those are long expired, I'm assuming. 2006. Vincent Lecavalier, Chris Pronger. Oh my God, Jordan Siglet. Man, yeah, the black and red with the. Nika Kiprasov, Rick DiPietro. Last pack. The Flower, second year. No, maybe. Saku Koivu, Mike Ribeiro, Eric Stahl, and Rob McVeigh. But I'm going to check this one out. It's his first or second year. Fleury's rookie's really good, but I don't think this is it. Even though it's first year. But, well, if you guys liked it, make sure you like it, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks.